In this video, you will learn how to access financial calculators on Regions Bank. Visit the Regions Bank website, go to the official Regions Bank website, or go to your preferred web browser. Navigate the Insight or Resource section. Look for the Financial Tool or Resource section, usually found in the menu or footer of the site. Select Calculator option. Click on the Calculator tab to view the list of available financial calculators. Choose the type of calculator you need. Pick from various options like mortgages, auto loans, savings, retirement or personal finance calculators. Enter your financial details. Fill in your required financial details such as your loan amount, your interest rate, savings goal or more to get an accurate result. Review and adjust the scenario. Analyze the result and if you need to, adjust the numbers to explore different financial scenarios for better planning. Now you know how to access your financial calculator on Regions Bank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.